嘿，hello，誒啊，可能年紀有翻咁上下嗰啲人咧，都可能有印象咧。嗰陣時喺香港咧，我哋咧每一年咧都有夏令時間，跟住之後有冬令時間咁樣。咁咧就喺英國而家仲係做緊呢一樣嘢喎。咁呢一篇咧，其實咧就係講關於呢一個由夏令時間轉翻做呢個標準時間咁樣嚇。When do the clocks change in the UK and why do we follow daylight saving time？咁嘅話咧，究竟喺英國嘅鐘咧係幾時會轉時間啊？需要調校改變時間啊？同埋咧點解咧我哋要跟呢個 daylight saving time 就我哋通常咧就叫呢個咧叫做夏令時間啦。咁但係咧，其實呢一個 daylight saving time 咧，如果照字面嘅意思咧，就係咧日照時間嘅節省咁樣啊。即係你點樣去節省呢個日照時間咧？咁樣啊。Love it or loathe it, the moment is almost here when the clocks go back by 1 hour in the UK。佢話咧，你中意呢樣嘢，又或者係厭惡呢樣嘢咧，loathe L-O-A-T-H-E 咧係好厭惡好咁嘅意思啦。佢話你中意又好，厭惡又好咧，誒誒個時就差唔多嚟啦。The moment is almost here，就係咧啲鐘咧就咧需要喺英國嗰度咧校翻後一個鐘頭嘅，go back by 1 hour。It happens in the early hours of Sunday, 26th October, and marks the end of British summertime (BST) and the return to Greenwich Mean Time (GMT). 咁佢話咧喺星期日10月26號嘅好早嘅嗰個時候咧，early hours 佢講緊咧係凌晨嘅嗰啲咁嘅鐘數咧，就會發生㗎啦。同埋咧，會係咧意味住咧呢個英國嘅夏令時間嘅結束啊，marks the end of 英國夏令時間 British Summertime BST 咁同埋咧係返回咧呢個格林威治標準時間啊 Greenwich Mean Time 咁留意咧呢個咧格林威治咧喺倫敦嘅一個地方啦，佢呢個字咧係讀做 Greenwich，Greenwich 個 W 咧係冇音嘅，所以佢咧係讀做 Greenwich 就唔係 Greenwich 係完全錯，係讀做 Greenwich Mean Time 係格林威治標準時間啦。You have probably already noticed that the nights are drawing in. In fact, we are currently losing 4 or 5 minutes of daylight every day。佢話咧，你好可能咧都已經咧係察覺到咧，夜晚咧係越嚟越接近啦其實咧，我哋而家咧每一日啊係冇咗4至5分鐘嘅日照時間嘅。However, there is nothing this subtle with the clock change, as sunset leaps forward by an hour in one go。呢度多咗個 one 字啊，咁佢咧就話咧，雖然係咁啊，呢一個如果我哋校個鐘嘅嗰一樣嘢咧，唔係咁細微嘅 ，nothing this subtle 咧係好細微咁解好含蓄、好細微咁樣咯佢話咧我哋而家每一日咧就少咗4、5分鐘嘅日照時間咧，好似每一日都唔係好覺咁。咁但係咧，我哋校鐘呢一樣嘢咧，就唔係咁細微嘅。因為咧sunset leaps forward，咁佢話咧日落咧就會係咧突然間係快咗1個鐘頭啊，同埋咧係一次性嘅。In one go 咧係一次性咁解咁我哋一次過咧就會咧令到令到呢個日落咧 sunset 咧係突然間快咗1個鐘頭咁。What time do the clocks go back? 咁究竟咧係喺咩時候咧？呢一個我哋嘅時鐘咧係會較慢翻倒後翻會將佢倒後咧咁樣。The clock change happens at 2 British Summer Time on Sunday 26 October in the UK。咁佢話咧就會喺10月26號星期日，英國就係咁啦，就喺呢一日嘅凌晨2點鐘咧就會發生嘅。The clocks will go forward again at 1 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time on 29th March 2026 when we return to British Summer Time。咁佢話咧，去到2026年嘅3月29號咧，就係格林威治標準時間嘅凌晨1點鐘咧，個鐘咧就會向前翻㗎啦。當我哋咧就翻去呢個夏令時間。咁換言之咧，其實咧 GMT 格林威治標準時間咧就只會係喺冬天就使用。咁而咧呢個英國嘅夏令時間咧就會係夏天使用嘅。The easy way to remember which way the clocks change is the phrase spring forward, fall backward。佢話咧，一個較為容易去記得咧，究竟嗰一個鐘咧係應該點樣轉法，因為你有陣時你都唔記得咗係要將個鐘較前定係較後噶嘛。佢話咧，你根據呢一個句子咧，咁咧就其實咧就會好容易會記得啦。咁佢呢一句咧只係4個字嘅啫 ，spring forward, fall backward。咁就好得意喎，佢咧喺裏邊咧就有少少咧雙重意思嘅。Spring 解春天，亦都解一個彈弓咁樣。佢話咧，你彈向前 ，spring forward。咁而咧個意思亦都係咧，春天就向前，跟住咧 fall backward。咁咧就係你跌就跌向後，咁但係咧 fall 咧，另外有個意思咧係解秋天嘅，咁所以咧佢呢度即係話咧春天向前，秋天向後咁啊，跟住落啦，佢話 in other words， 咁啊換言之咧 we turn the time forward an hour in spring and back an hour in fall or autumn。咁佢話咧，我哋咧喺春天嘅時候咧，就將時間咧向前較1個鐘頭。跟住咧，到秋天嘅時候 ，fall 或者 autumn 咧，就將個時間咧係較翻後1個鐘頭。What is daylight saving time？ 究竟夏令時間係乜嘢嚟㗎？Changes to the clocks have been taking place for well over a century。佢話咧，其實咧咁樣調校個鐘咧，係一路咧已經係進行咗、發生咗咧，係多過1個世紀嘅。Well over a century 係即係多過1個世紀咁樣。The first country to make use of daylight saving time (DST) was Germany in 1916 during World War One。咁佢話咧，第一個國家咧去用呢一個夏令時間咧就係德國啦，係喺1916年。咁嗰陣時咧係第一次世界大戰。It was intended to maximize evening daylight sorry, 再嚟過。It was intended to maximize evening daylight, meaning less heating and lighting was needed, reducing fuel consumption during wartime。咁佢話咧，佢嘅其實咧係佢咁樣做咧個目的咧就係咧要盡用佢哋咧去到挨晚嗰陣時嘅日照啊。就如果係咁樣咧，就會令到咧佢哋咧係需要少一啲嘅嘅暖啦嘅暖氣啦，亦都係咧少一啲嘅即係燈嘅照明啊。Heating 即係暖氣啦，跟住 lighting 咧就係即係燈光照明嚇。跟住咧就係因為咁咧，就會咧減少咗佢哋嘅燃料使用啊。佢哋 fuel 係燃料啦，跟住 consumption 咧係佢嗰個用量啊。咁咧因為咧嗰陣時係打緊第一次世界大戰啦，所以 during war time 喺打仗嘅時候咧，咁樣咧就會幫助到節省能源啊。Many other countries followed suit just a few weeks later, including the UK, where it was named British Summertime。咁嘅話咧，有好多其他嘅國家咧都 follow suit，follow suit 咧係照板煮碗咁解，即係佢即係跟住嚟做嚇。只係咧喺幾個禮拜之後咧，有好多其他嘅國家咧都照做呢一件事，包括英國啦。咁而喺英國咧，佢咧就叫做 British Summertime，就係英國嘅夏令時間。The time shift has mostly continued ever since, although during a short period in World War II, there was British double summertime, where the clocks went forward by 2 hours。咁佢話咧，呢一個 time shift 咧，呢一個時間嘅轉移啦，即係調校時間咧，其實咧，係喺好大程度上咧，係由嗰陣時開始咧，係一路都繼續嘅。佢話咧，但係咧，喺一個好短嘅時間，喺二次大戰 World War II 一個好短嘅時間咧，一個 short period 咧，佢咧就進行咗有一個咧叫做 British double summertime， 係呢個英國嘅雙重夏令時間咁啊。咁佢話點解咁樣叫咧？就係因為咧喺呢個二次大戰嘅時候咧，個時間咧係向前係較快咗2個鐘頭，即係唔係而家嘅1個鐘頭，係較快咗2個鐘頭。An experiment between 1969 and 1971 trialed year-round British summertime, and there continue to be some debates about whether the UK should wind its clocks forward permanently。咁佢話咧，喺1968年同埋1971年之間咧，係做咗一個實驗啊 ，experiment 咧係實驗。咁佢哋咧係嘗試咧全年都係即係實行呢個 British Summertime trial 咧係嘗試咁解啦。咁咧就year round 係全年，即 year round 咧係全年由即係由年頭到年尾咁樣啦，就咧實施呢一個 BST，咁但係其實到而家為止咧，都有一啲嘅辯論咧，係有關咧究竟英國咧應唔應該咧就咁樣永久地較快咗個鐘啊 ，permanently 咧係永久地啦。咁留意喎，呢度有一個字咧，佢話 should wind its clocks forward。咁 wind 咧，其實咧 W-I-N-D 咧喺呢度咧作為動詞，你上鏈啊、調校啊咁樣嘅意思咧，係讀做 wind，W-I-N-D 就唔係好似風嗰一個 wind 咁樣啊。咁所以呢度話咧係should wind the clocks forward permanently。Arguments for keeping the time zone in summer mode include a potential boost in economic productivity, as well as a possible reduction in evening road accidents。咁咧，佢哋個論點咧話將我哋嗰一個時間啊個 time zone 就個時區咧係永久地咧。即係進入呢一個夏天嘅模式啦 ，in summer mode 咧，係包括咧佢哋個論點係咩咧？就包括咧話咧，第一就可以振興經濟同埋生產啦 ，boost 係振興咁解啦。economic productivity 咧就係呢個productivity 係個製造嘅經濟嘅效率咁啦嚇，即係咁同埋咧，佢話咧就可以咧係減少到咧喺黃昏嘅時候咧呢一個交通意外嘅a possible reduction in evening road accidents。It would also eliminate the minor disruption caused to sleep patterns by the annual gaining and losing of an hour。咁佢話咧，同埋咧可以咧就消除咗 eliminate 咧係消除剷除咁解啦。因為我哋咧 每一年如果要校鐘咧，一係咧你就多咗1個鐘頭 gaining an hour，又或者咧係冇咗1個鐘 losing an hour。咁呢一個每一年都有多有少咗1個鐘咧，其實係會影響咗我哋個 sleep patterns，我哋個睡眠嘅睡眠嘅規律嘅嚇。咁佢話因為咁咧就會有啲 minor disruption，有一啲咧好輕微嘅阻礙啊，有好輕微嘅干擾啊，對於我哋呢一個。咁佢話如果係永遠地咧，係即係用呢個夏令時間咧，就可以咧就消除咗呢一個咁輕微嘅干預，呢個 minor disruption 啊。However, it would also mean some very gloomy winter mornings, especially in Scotland。佢話咧，雖然咁樣，係有佢嘅好處啦，咁但係咧，佢亦都意味住咧，我哋喺冬天嘅時候，如果冬天都係用緊夏令時間咧，就會咧喺早上咧就會好 gloomy 咧，就會咧好令人哋即係好似好死氣沉沉咁樣嚇。特別咧係喺蘇格蘭嗰一度。In Edinburgh and Glasgow, the sun does not rise until around 8:45 GMT in the second half of December, which would equate to 9:45 BST。咁佢話咧喺愛丁堡同埋喺格拉斯高咧，呢個太陽咧佢其實咧係去到差唔多8:45咧先至係會日出嘅。你講緊咧係12月嘅下旬嘅時間嚇，second half of December， 12月嘅下旬。咁佢話咧，其實咧，如果你講緊咧呢個，如果係講緊英國夏令時間 BST British Summer Time，佢係成9:45咧先至會日出嘅。咁所以咧9:45之前咧，其實咧嗰個天仲係黑晒。咁呢度有一個字要留意喎，愛丁堡個字咧 Edinburgh，咁呢個字咧係讀做 Edinburgh，咁唔係 Edinburgh 喎嚇，因為咧佢咧舊陣時個串法咧唔係咁樣串嘅，咁所以咧佢就算改咗而家個串法咧，佢咧都沿用翻舊陣時嘅嗰個讀音咧係 Edinburgh 嚇。It would leave Scottish commuters and school children making their winter morning journeys in darkness, bringing increased risks on the roads。咁佢話咧，如果係咁嘅話，朝頭早咁黑嘅話咧，佢話喺蘇格蘭嘅我成日又唔記得呢一個嘅中文係點講，係即係每一日翻工翻學咧都要。每一日咧要坐車翻工翻學嘅人士啊 ，commuters， 咁同埋咧一啲學童啦 ，school children 一啲學童咧，佢哋咧朝頭早冬天嘅朝頭早嘅嗰一段路咧，就要咧喺黑暗之中進行啦 ，in darkness 啦，咁咧亦都咧係增加咗咧佢哋喺路上邊嘅嗰一個即係嗰啲危險性嘅嚇，會 increase 佢哋嘅 risk 嚇。Will my clock change automatically？究竟我哋我哋嘅鐘咧會唔會自動咁樣去調校㗎？會唔會 automatically 自動地咧就已經可以調校㗎？Most smartphones, digital devices, and even modern cars will adjust the time automatically when GMT begins。咁佢話咧，有好多嘅呢個咩智能電話啦，同埋我哋嘅電子設備啦，同埋咧有一啲現代嘅車咧，其實咧當 GMT 開始嘅時候咧，佢哋咧都會自動調校佢嘅時間嘅。However, analog clocks will need switching manually, especially important if you are relying on an old-fashioned alarm clock to wake you up。但係咧，analog 我唔記得咗叫做乜嘢即係電子嘅另外一種嘅制式咧，即係舊一啲個制式咧係叫 analog 咧，就唔係電子嘅呢一個 analog 嘅鐘咧，佢咧就需要咧人手去調校啊 ，manually 咧係人手去調校咁解特別 重要嘅就係咧，如果你係你 rely on 你係依靠一個好舊式、好老土、好 old fashion 嘅 alarm clock 嘅鬧鐘去叫醒你嘅話咧，咁你咧就要自己人手去調校啦。And if you are anything like me, the clock on the oven will present a particular challenge。咁佢話咧，如果你好似我咁樣，喺個焗爐上邊嗰一個鐘咧，就好煩啦，成日咧都咧即係你咧就誒，即係佢都有講話誒 particular challenge 咧，就好似咧，即係令到你有一個難題咁樣。因為咧，你每次你如果唔記得，你都係咧要去校一校翻你喺焗爐嗰一度嗰一個鐘。What countries have daylight saving time？咁究竟有咩國家咧係有呢個夏令時間㗎？We are certainly not alone in switching the time zones twice a year。我哋咧絕對唔係唯一一個國家咧，係一年咧有2次咧係要調校我哋嘅時區嘅。Most of North America and Europe observes daylight saving time, although only small parts of Asia, Oceania, South America and Africa take part。咁佢話咧，雖然睇咗下半部先啦，雖然咧喺亞洲、跟住大洋洲、南美洲同埋非洲咧，有好少部分嘅地區咧係有參與呢一樣嘢，take part 啫係參與咁解。咁咧雖然係咁，喺北美洲 North America、歐洲大部分嘅地方咧，都係咧係有實行呢一個呢一個夏令時間嘅。However, different countries change their clocks on different days。雖然係咁啊，喺唔同嘅國家咧，佢哋咧係喺唔同嘅日子咧轉佢哋嘅時間嘅。佢哋for example, in the USA, the switch takes place on 2nd November this year, while in Egypt, it happens on 30th October。咁佢話舉個例啦，喺美國咧，佢哋咧係11月2號咧係去即係呢一個調校咧係11月2號發生嘅。今年咁而咧喺埃及咧，佢咧係10月30號發生，咁同我哋喺10月26號咧係有分別嘅。One benefit of an earlier sunset is that it might be easier to get out and capture it on camera。咁佢話咧，其中有一個好處就係咧，如果個時間係早咗啦，咁咧就我哋可能咧，呢個日落sunset咧就會早一啲發生啦。咁我哋咧就更加容易咧可以出去咧，跟住咧去影相嘅。It might be easier to get out 出去咧 and capture it on camera， 就用相機咧去捕捉日落。好啦，咁記住啦，呢個夏令時間咧，呢個返去冬令時間咧，就係10月26號啦。